The TMC MLA from Meghalaya, B Lyngdoh, in a message to the people of the state, had reacted to the concerns of AITC Members of Parliament for the state of Meghalaya in relation to the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages into the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Mention may be made that the AITC MP Sudeep Bondopadhyay had raised this particular issue on the Parliament's floor on Tuesday.
29 of the Constitution provides that a section of citizens having a distinct language, script of culture, have the right to conserve the same. Under the Meghalaya State Legislature Act 2005, Garo and Khasi have been declared as associate official languages of the state. Khasi is an Afro-Asiatic language spoken primarily in Meghalaya and in the hill districts of Assam. Garo is a Tibeto-Burman language of the Boro-Konyak-Jingpo group closely related to Bodo. It is primarily spoken in Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland. According to the census 2011, there are over 13 lakh 46.5% Khasi speakers and over 9 lakh 31.5% Garo speakers. Issue in inclusion of these two languages has been the lack of their own original scripts. Sir, in April 27 September 2018, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly adopted a resolution to petition the central government to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution.
Now, on this historic day, I would like to thank our party leaders, especially our Honourable Chairperson, Srimati Mamata Banerjee ji, our Honourable National General Secretary, Shri Abhishek Banerjee ji, our leaders in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, who have really stood by us as a state, who stood by us as a people and citizens of Meghalaya. And they have raised a very important point and a demand of including the Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule. Never before has a national party taken the voices of the MLAs who represent the people of the state, taken the voices of the MPs who represent the people of the union and the people of the country at large, together where we stood outside Parliament and demanded for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. It is indeed much more important to note that the voices were not raised not only outside Parliament, but the voices were also raised inside Parliament. So therefore, this kind of an effort will continue, not only for the issue of Khasi and Garo languages and their inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, but as a party, and especially as a national party that has got a presence across the country, we pledge to the people of the state that we will keep on raising the issues that are pertinent to the people, the needs of the people of the state, and to fight for the people of the state and their benefits.